Okay, good morning class. Second part of this lesson here, we're looking at exponents and surds. So at this point we have discussed the laws of exponents that we have dealt with extensively in grade 10. Something I wanted to highlight here that is an often made mistake is that 5 to the negative 2 is written as 1 over 5 squared and not 2 over 5. No? So 1 over 5 squared, which is 1 over 25. Okay. And something that we highlighted here as well, a common made error as well, is that a plus b squared is not a squared plus b squared. However, the binomial square have to be applied there, or we write it out twice and multiply it out. Now we're looking at example 1, and example 1 is on page . It's on page 5 on it's for exercise 1.2. Yes. Yeah, I'm carrying out. Okay. So we also study the following where possible and write all the numbers with positive exponents. Okay. So let's look at the first one. Look at the first one. We've got 27 raised to the exponent 2 over 3. So firstly, 27 can be written as what? 3 squared, not so. So 3 cubed, absolutely. So it's going to be 3 cubed, the raised to the exponent 2 over 3. So what we do if something is raised to the higher exponent? Multiply the exponents, not so. So it's going to be 3. What's 3 times 2 over 3? 6 over 3, not so, which is 2. And 3 squared is? You could have written 3 to the 6 over 2 and do another step there and come to 3 squared, which is then, in any case, 9. Often it will say to simplify without the use of a calculator. Okay? I can punch this in a calculator and get that answer, but I'm not going to get the marks for it. Okay? Because the examiner or the marker wants to see this, that you actually know what you are doing. You guys understand? Let's look at number 2. You've got the fifth root of 1 over 32 raised to the exponent 3, or cubed. So firstly, if I write this in exponential form, that's going to be 1 over 32 raised to the exponent 3 over 5. Remember, the root will always be the denominator. You all agree with that part? If you look at 32, 32 can be written as what? 2 to the 5. You all know how we got 2 to the 5, no? You just tell me if you don't understand, okay? People 1 to any exponent is 1 over. So what we do is we raise that exponent to the higher exponent, or we multiply the exponents. So that will be 2 and 5 multiplied by 3 over 5. What would that be? 3. And what is 2 cubed? Any confusion thus far? No? Again, the instruction is to write it in exponential form. Okay? This is in surd form. So number 3, how are we going to write that as an exponent? X to the exponent 5 over 2. If there's no number there, there's a 2 there. You all agree with that? Let's look at number 4. That will be a to the exponent 2 over 3. Okay.
Good morning. Can I have your attention, please, girls? I have 2 collections. Kelsey Peterson, grade 9. Kelsey Peterson, grade 9. And Riley True, grade 8. Riley True, grade 8. I have collections for the 2 of you. We can fetch it at the office. Thank you.
Okay, so let's just go through this example quickly. This is example 2 on page 4. Okay. So 8 over 27. 8 can be written as what? To the exponent 3, not so. So you got 2 to the exponent 3 there. Over 3 cubed. Raise to the exponent negative 2 over 3. So what's the rule if something is raised to the higher exponent? Multiply the exponent. So that's going to be 2. So 3 multiplied by negative 2 over 3? Negative 2 over 3. What's 3 times negative 2 over 3? Negative 2. So what happens now with this numerator? Becomes the denominator. Why? Because of the negative sign. This denominator now becomes the numerator. Why? Because of the negative. If this had to be positive 2 there, I wouldn't have brought that up. Does it make sense? Okay. So it's going to be 3 squared over 2 squared. So what's 3 squared? 9 over 4. Okay. Again, I could have put that in a calculator and gotten 9 over 4. But I wouldn't have gotten any marks for this. Okay, the sum would have been 3 marks in your exam. Let's look at the next one. Number 2. I think this is the last example. The other question is to simplify. So, x to the negative 1. That can be written as what? 1 over x. Okay. Y to the negative 1. 1 over 1. What's your LCM here? x1. See that, people? So, x must be multiplied by what to get xy? 1. This was multiplied by? X. So what is 1 times y? Plus? X. Can I add that? Yeah. Why not? Unlike that. Also something to consider here. If I got x minus 1 plus y minus 1. This is not 1 over x plus 1. No? Because that is a term on its own and that's a term on its own. Okay, you guys understand? If it was, however, x plus y to the minus 1. If it was that, then it would be 1 over x plus 1. Do you see the difference? Okay. And then just something to note here. Okay, that is not okay. So that basically brings us to the end of the examples for exercise 1.2. Your homework is exercise 1.2 on page 5. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class. Please don't forget your textbooks for the library. Okay.